Christmas is celebrated in various ways around the world, with each culture having its unique traditions and customs. If you are looking for a new tradition to do around Christmas time, maybe you will like some of these traditions and try them out. Here are just some of the wide variety of Christmas traditions from different parts of the world. I would love to hear in the comments, what are your Christmas traditions? And what is your favorite tradition from another country? Let's jump right in. Germany. The Advent calendar. Many people use Advent calendars to count down the days until Christmas. Christmas markets. These markets, known as Christkindlmarkt, are popular for festive shopping and entertainment. St. Nicholas Day, celebrated on December 6th. Children put out their shoes to be filled with small gifts and treats by St. Nicholas. Christmas Eve traditions. Many Germans celebrate the main festivities on Christmas Eve, exchanging gifts and having a festive meal. France. Réveillon. The French celebrate Christmas with a late-night feast on Christmas Eve. The feast on Christmas Eve often includes delicacies such as oysters, frog legs, scallops, truffles, goose liver pâté, and other luxurious foods. The Yule log, a traditional French dessert resembling a log, is often served. Midnight Mass. Attending midnight Mass on Christmas Eve is a common tradition for many French families. Italy. The Feast of the Seven Fishes. Many Italians celebrate with a seafood feast of 7 courses or more on Christmas Eve. La Befana. The night before Epiphany, children leave their socks and shoes out to be filled by an old woman who delivers gifts to children on Epiphany. It's celebrated on January 6th. Prespi, or nativity scenes, are popular, and many families set up intricate displays in their homes. Panettone. This sweet bread filled with candied fruits and raisins is a traditional Christmas dessert. Sweden. St. Lucia's Day, celebrated on December 13th. It involves a girl dressing in a white gown and a crown of candles on her head, and boys wear white and sing traditional songs. Julebord, a Christmas smorgasbord featuring a variety of traditional Swedish dishes. Tomte, a mythical creature similar to a gnome, believed to protect the household mainly around Christmas. Mexico. Los Posadas. These are processions reenacting Mary and Joseph's search for a place to stay in Bethlehem. They take place over 9 nights leading up to Christmas Eve. And each night ends with a feast and festivities. Piñatas. Piñatas are usually made of paper mache, pottery, or cloth that is decorated, then filled with candy or fruits. The person is blindfolded and spun around, then with a bat in their hand, told to try to hit the piñata, taking turns trying to knock it down. As soon as it is knocked down, or the contents are spilling out, everyone rushes in to gather as much as they can. Piñatas are popular at Christmas parties. Australia. Carols by candlelight. Many Australians attend outdoor concerts featuring Christmas carols performed by candlelight. These events often take place in outdoor venues with people bringing picnic baskets and enjoying Christmas carols. Beach celebrations. With Christmas falling during the Southern Hemisphere summer, many Australians celebrate at the beach or have barbecues. Swimming Santa. Santa Claus is sometimes depicted delivering presents on a surfboard or swimming due to the warm weather. Japan. KFC Christmas. It's a tradition for some Japanese families to eat KFC on Christmas Eve. Thanks to a successful marketing campaign that associated KFC with Christmas in the 1970s. Illuminations. Many cities are beautifully illuminated with elaborate light displays during the Christmas season. Christmas cake. It's a tradition to enjoy a festive sponge cake decorated with strawberries and whipped cream. Ethiopia. Ghana. Ethiopian Christmas, celebrated on January 7th, includes church services, feasts, and the traditional game of Ghana, hockey. Fasting. Many Ethiopians fast in the weeks leading up to Christmas, breaking the fast with a big feast on Christmas Day. Dressed in white. It's customary to attend Christmas services dressed in white traditional clothing. United States and Canada. Parades. Many cities host Christmas parades, with the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City being one of the most famous, starting in 1924. Christmas stockings. Children often hang stockings by the fireplace for Santa Claus to fill with small gifts and treats. Decorations. Many households decorate Christmas trees, and outdoor lights displays are popular. Santa Claus. Children believe in Santa Claus, who is said to bring gifts on Christmas Eve. But if you are bad or not asleep when he comes to your home, he will not leave any gifts. It is also customary to leave milk, cookies, and carrots for Santa and the reindeer. Christmas dinner. Traditional Christmas meals often include turkey, ham, or roast beef. The Christmas tree. Most people have Christmas trees in their homes. Some are a plastic imitation tree, or some are a real tree that have been previously cut down and brought to the stores. Some families go to tree farms and cut their own trees down. All these types of trees are decorated with lights and ornaments. United Kingdom. Boxing Day. Celebrated on December 26th. It's a public holiday where people traditionally give boxes of food or money to those less fortunate. Minced pies. These small pies filled with a mixture of dried fruits and spices are a Christmas treat. Christmas crackers. These are festive paper tubes filled with small gifts, jokes, and paper crowns. They are pulled apart with a cracking sound during Christmas dinner. Christmas pudding. A rich and dense fruit cake, often flambéed before being served. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's explore a few more Christmas traditions. Spain. El Nochebuena, Christmas Eve, celebrated with a festive family dinner, and it's common to attend midnight mass. El Gordo, the Spanish Christmas lottery, one of the world's largest, takes place on December 22nd. Russia. Grandfather Frost and Snegorotchka. These characters, similar to Santa Claus and his helper, are part of Russian Christmas folklore. Orthodox Christmas, celebrated on January 7th following the Julian calendar. It includes special church services and traditional meals. Brazil. Floating Christmas trees. In Rio de Janeiro, a massive floating Christmas tree is displayed on the Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon. Papai Noel, the Belizean version of Santa Claus, is often depicted wearing a silk suit due to warm weather. India. Christian celebrations. In regions with Christian communities, Christmas is celebrated with midnight mass, feasts, and decorations. Divo, festival. In areas with Hindu communities, some people decorate banana and mango trees with lights. It's a festival of lights. South Africa. Braai, which means barbecue. Many South Africans celebrate Christmas with a traditional outdoor barbecue. Carols by candlelight. Similar to Australia, outdoor concerts featuring Christmas carols are popular. China. Apples for Christmas. In China, apples are given as gifts on Christmas Eve, and it's customary to decorate Christmas trees with apples. Christmas as a shopping holiday. While Christmas is not a public holiday, it has become a significant shopping and gift-giving season. Greece. Kalanta. Children go door to door singing carols called kalanta, and residents often reward them with treats. Christmas boat procession. In coastal areas, boat parades are held with decorated boats and fireworks. Norway. Julebuk. Children often dress up in costumes and visit neighbors to sing carols, similar to Halloween traditions in the United States. Lutefisk and Pinnejot. Traditional Christmas Eve meals include lutefisk, which is dried fish, and pinnejot, salted and dried ribs of lamb. Netherlands. Sinterklaas, celebrated on December 5th. Sinterklaas, accompanied by his helpers, delivers gifts to children. Christmas Day and Second Christmas Day. Both are public holidays, and families often gather for festive meals. Ireland. Wren Day. On St. Stephen's Day, December 26th, people participate in the Wren Day parade, involving costumes, music, and dance. Christmas Swim. Some brave individuals participate in Christmas Swim in the cold waters of the Irish Sea. These are just a few examples, and there are many more diverse and unique Christmas traditions around the world. Each culture brings its own flavor to the festive season. These traditions highlight the cultural diversity and the unique ways in which people across the globe celebrate the holiday season. Each country adds its own flavor, making Christmas a truly global and multicultural celebration. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a great New Year.